for a company that does security systems and security doorbells? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Aqara doorbell and the security camera hub. Whoa! That's right, two amazing products from Aqara. We're going to put them in this video, and as you know, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at these two products from Aqara right here. We've got a camera hub, a security camera, and a doorbell. So, wow. First up, we're going to take a look at the camera hub right here. Packaging looks very, very nice. Gives you all the information that you need. And it looks like it's ready to go on a shelf. So, let's open it up. First thing you see in the box are these two documents right here. Looks like we got a little quick start guide. Very, very simple. Done with images. Shows you right there. Scan that. They'll take you to your FAQ and your app and things. How to set it up. Plug it in. And make sure everything's good to go. Scan the code. Wow. Cool. And then the next thing we're looking at looks to be like our instructional manual right here, which is just going to give us more specs on everything that's in there and how to set it up and the details. Very, very nice. Keep this in mind. This is cool. This is going to have warranty information stuff on it too. Looks like we've got a USB-C to C cable. Very cool. This looks like a pretty long cable, so huge fan of that. Super long cable is included. And the camera itself, look at this thing. This is so kawaii for sure. Look how adorable that is. Wow. It looks like the base plate here is what allows it to turn and move. So when it's stationary, it can spin and turn for you there. And the base plate looks to be like rubberized. So it looks like you'll have good grip with it right there. We've got our camera here. We've got these adorable ears on it. Wow, it looks like you can kind of pull that back if you need to. Tell me that's not adorable, because you can do that, but you can also just take it off. Just to show you guys what it looks like without the little bunny ears on it. But why would you want to do that? This should go on here. But that is the camera hub. Let's move on. And also, it looks like the camera itself can move up and down and stuff. I don't want to be too rough with it or risk messing the motors up, but as you see, that does go. So it turns left to right and looks up to down. Next up, we've got the doorbell right here. This is G400. Very, very nice packaging on this right there. IP65, very cool. Everything looks really good. And again, it looks like it's ready to go on a shelf. Packaging, A+. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is what looks like our quick start guide. Again, pretty simplified with images. Scan it, get the FAQ, get the app set up, how to install it all, plug it in, and then scan the app, and it's good to go. And just like the other one, we've got a detailed setup here that's just going to have all the specs and information on it, and setting up the app as well as your warranty information. We've got our alignment sticker. So what makes these work is you can kind of just stick the sticker where you need it. That way you kind of know where you're going to put the holes exactly. You don't have to risk the biscuit. Looks like we got a little rubberized seal right here. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but we'll figure it out as we go. A little screwdriver is included, so that's super awesome. Looks like we've got a USB-C to C cable right there as well, so super cool. That cable is included. We've got a bag of screws right here. It looks like everything you need. It's even got this little poker here, which is usually used for putting in SD cards and stuff, so very, very cool. But wow, everything you need included. Next up, we've got the doorbell ringer right here, the chime, right? So when you ring the doorbell, this is what will produce the sound inside the house. Looks like it is USB-C, and it looks like we've got some 3M tape, so you can kind of put that wherever you want it and then run the cable into the wall to have power. Looks like we're gonna have part of our mounting system right here. So essentially this is just what you will mount onto the wall and then mount the doorbell onto one of these. So it looks like we've got maybe a couple different plates to set up there. And the reason you're here, oh yeah, there you go. We know you love to see it, so let's peel that off. Right here is our doorbell itself, right there. Nice clicking. Yep, everything looks really good right here on the back. Looks like part of that rubberized seal is back here, so I'm assuming that's what the other one is for. Looks like we got micro SD right there. And then we've got our power over Ethernet right here. So I popped this little rubber piece off, and that way you can actually see we've got our Ethernet and we've got our micro SD. So once you run those into it, you will be able to just pop that back on it to kind of keep it nice and safe and protected right there. Cool. Good to go. Looks like we've got a reset button on the back right here. We've got a camera on the front. Everything looks really good. Well, let's go ahead and get these set up and try them out. This is the Aqara Camera Hub G350. Supporting Matter 1.5 specs, the Camera Hub G350 is Aqara's Matter certified security camera to offer local, future-proof compatibility and unified control across smartphone platforms. It features a dual lens system, a 4K wide-angle lens, and a 2.5K telephoto lens with 9 times powerful hybrid zoom, allowing for panoramic views and vivid details. The G350 works with major smart home platforms such as Apple Home, HomeKit Secure Video, Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings. And it's also got RTSP support, which allows video streaming to Home Assistant and NVR software like Frigate and Blue Iris. Ultra clear 4K quality with 9 times zoom. The dual lens camera pairs a 4K wide-angle lens with a 2.5K telephoto lens to deliver exceptional 9 times hybrid zoom, allowing users to capture panoramic views and discern small details like reading a label or identifying a face. And thanks to the invisible 940nm infrared lighting and f1.6 aperture, the G350 camera captures sharper images at night with less motion blur. Pan and tilt at 360 degrees with AI-powered auto tracking, the fluid pan tilt mechanism ensures 360 degrees of awareness, eliminating blind spots while allowing for customizable cruise routines and up to 30 preset angles for quick access to fixed points. The G350 camera features AI-powered automatic tracking to keep people and pets always in frame, and the innovative close-up tracking feature can automatically zoom in to capture more details. With the on-device AI detection for context-aware home security, it's equipped with that advanced local AI. G350 camera can intelligently alert you to meaningful events and genuine threats. It detects and alerts specific events such as persons, pets, facial recognition, and lens obstruction, and also sounds like alarms and crying, coughing, and barking. It also detects smiles and hand gestures, allowing users to interact with their smart home intuitively, capture a portrait with a smile triggered snap, or activate a scene or routine with a simple gesture. The G350 doubles as a powerful Aqara Zigbee hub and Matter controller, as well as a bridge linking your Aqara devices to major ecosystems while pulling third-party Matter devices into Aqara Home for unified future-ready control. And with their focus on privacy, the camera is designed with user privacy in mind. It offers end-to-end encrypted storage on the Aqara Cloud via the Home Guardian plan, and local storage on a micro SD card of up to 512 gigabytes with NAS data transfer support. Moreover, it has a physical mechanism to shut the lens whenever the camera turns off, assuring users privacy and giving users peace of mind. Next up, we have the Aqara Doorbell Camera G400. This is a wired camera. It's built to provide continuous surveillance to your front door, and it comes with an IP65 weather-resistant design and a reliable power supply via the PoE or low-voltage cable. Ultra-clear surveillance around the clock, the IP65 doorbell camera offers 2K clarity and an expansive 165-degree ultra-wide FOV at an aspect ratio of 3.4 head-to-toe view. Users can see every detail of the doorstep, no matter the visitors or the packages, at a glance. Designed for all-day protection, the G400 Doorbell can be powered by a PoE, which is power over Ethernet, which also enables a robust and stable internet connection. Alternatively, though, you can connect it wirelessly with the dual-band Wi-Fi 6, that's 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, while also using the existing doorbell wiring, which is 8 to 24 volts, as a continuous power supply. Local and cloud AI detection for all-around security, the G400 Doorbell supports both person and motion detection locally on the device, allowing the camera to record critical events and trigger local automations even when the internet is down. With the Home Guardian subscription, additionally, you get cloud power AI capabilities, which when unlocked can identify human faces, packages, vehicles, animals, and even flames, allowing for more sophisticated surveillance. Dual storage assurance that with no footage loss, the doorbell camera G400 offers flexible storage options, both on the cloud and locally at home. Local storage is possible with a micro SD card of up to 512 gigabytes, and the footage can be backed up on an NAS server for larger storage capacity. The G400 offers end-to-end encrypted storage of critical events on the Aqara Cloud. Moreover, users can subscribe to Aqara's Home Guardian service to enjoy 90-day cloud storage and other advanced features, such as cloud-based AI detection and AI video search for easy footage retrieval. iOS users can opt for alternative 10-day iCloud storage with an iCloud Plus subscription. Wide compatibility with third-party platforms, the G400 integrates seamlessly with Apple Home and supports HomeKit secure video, making it an ideal choice for iOS users. And it also streams to Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, and has RTSP support, so the G400 can scream to Home Assistant, Frigate, Blue Iris, and other compatible software. Both of these products are amazing and definitely make your life a lot easier, and you know what? Feel a lot safer at home. So I gotta say, Aqara, these things are great. Great job. This is our first time working with Aqara, and I've got to say these things are just high quality. They're great. They're affordable. They're super nice. We're a huge fan of the doorbells and security systems. As you know, on this channel we reviewed a bunch of them, and these are just Aqara, you did it right. So we want to give a huge shout out to Aqara for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I'm today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!